Welcome to Northeast College of Health Sciences, a world-class leader in healthcare education. We are excited to introduce you to our innovative Computerized Anatomy Resource Lab, also known as the CARL. The CARL provides students with state-of-the-art digital anatomy and virtual dissection learning tools, helping our future healthcare leaders explore and learn about the human body in ways never before possible.
The CARL's multiple Anatomage tables each contain virtual interactive representations of cadavers that have been imaged at high resolution. All tissues, organs, and structures are pictured in full color, facilitating the visualization and identification process. With multiple cadaver scans, the students can appreciate some of the anatomic variation that exists between individuals. The cadaveric images have also been translated into 3D models that can be manipulated, rotated, zoomed in or out, sliced in any direction, and the specific tissue layers can be removed for deeper observation and learning.
At Northeast College of Health Sciences, our students are fortunate to learn via real human cadaveric dissection in our Anatomy Center. But it's also important for students to be able to interact and explore more deeply with virtual cadavers to learn the special relationship between structures. The CARL makes this new level of interactive education possible.
The Anatomage tables also provide the ability to collaborate, learn, and quiz each other with multiple students around the table. As the use of virtual dissection expands at Northeast College, our faculty and students look forward to using these new technologies to continue to evolve the education of the next generation of healthcare professionals.